Okay, so for a second there I thought I wasn't going to be able to make this video because I randomly my machine just stopped working. It wouldn't sew this really light knit fabric. It's very drapey and it's knit. So it's just very thrown off. So I didn't really work on this until I found some time to experiment with my machine, and it was just me just expecting the machine settings to be perfect, and obviously you have to go in there and tweak and test out fabrics before it actually works. So lesson learned. So now I'm gonna be able to start this little robe. As you guys can see from the videos before, like the clips before, I did make this robe using Danny's patterns and just extending some parts of it and adding the sleeve and then just matching front and back, and we kept the hood since the neckline was used, so it technically fits the hoodie pattern. And that's the pattern I used. So yeah, so let's get sewing this. Alright, and I think that's it for this video. I know it's been very... Sorry about that. Just gotta secure my camera. I know it's been very rushed and hasn't been fully finished, and I didn't really think too much into the pattern making with this knit. If I had a surgery, it'd be fine. I'll probably just serge all of this all around and then just sew it the same way. But I do not have that now. Put the hood on. There's the hood. Looks pretty cute once it's on. But this is honestly my first sample with this pattern, at all. So given that, I am not too unhappy with it. I like the drape, I like the length, the fit is cute. So, I'm give it a go. Give it a green light. Probably make another one that's a little better. But just want to get that idea out there for you guys to experiment with Danny's original patterns. And create your own in that way. So extend a little bit, make your own makeshift arm, and you got it. You can see it's way longer than what she needs, but I like how it kind of drapes. So, all set. Looks like we figured out part 1 of her witch costume for this season. So See y'all next time.